Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I would like to talk about different cash and carry strategy. With this strategy you can get a bigger yearly returns, but of course as returns are bigger than for usual cash and carry trade, this strategy also involves some risk factor. So let's begin. First of all, what you have to do with this strategy, same like on all cash and carry trades, you just go to spot market and buy some crypto you would like to use for cash and carry trade. So after you bought some crypto, instead of transferring all to your future account, just go and transfer only 50% of it. So let's say we have bought 100 Polkadot on spot market, and then we have transferred 50 Polkadot to the futures market and to the futures account. So what now we have to do? We want to use the leverage. So when you are on your chosen contract, in this example we are on September's contract, we would like to choose a leverage. So as we have transferred 50% of Polkadot we have bought, we will use 2x leverage. So just press confirm. So now you have transferred 50 Polkadot, but you can use 100 Polkadot on this contract. So because of leverage, there comes a risk, but about the risks we will talk a bit later. So when you've done that, the fourth step would be go to Binance Earn account and stake your Polkadot for 15 days. There's two staking options in Binance, flexible savings and lock savings. So of course it would be better for us to just stake for flexible savings, so we could have option to take our collateral whenever we want. But there's a problem with flexible savings that you can earn only around 1.4 or 1% of yearly returns. So you have to check this flexible savings time to time, because I have found around 10 or 12% before on cryptocurrencies that has future contracts. So other option is locked staking. There is usually locking time for 15, 30, 60 and 90 days. So as you can see currently, if you lock Polkadot for 15 days, you will earn 27.79% of a yearly yield, and that will be around 0.57 Polkadot earned after 15 days. So if you feel leaving cash and carry trade live for 15 days, it makes sense to earn extra yield on your Polkadot that you will stake. But as always, when you use different strategies, there are some risks involved. So first risk involved is that your Polkadot will be locked for 15 days. As we have seen in the past few months that we had huge liquidations, and cash and carry trade went to backwardation mode, where we could close this trade with extra 6 or even 12%. So in this case you could not close your trade if this liquidation event again happens and the gap will go to negative. So second thing what you have to concern that your liquidation price. So when you use leverage, there is also liquidation price on it. So have in mind that if the price from starting point will rise up 100% with 2x leverage. So that means that your position will be liquidated and will be closed automatically. As we know, with these small market cap coins, it is really a normal event. Then in 15 days, price could double or even triple. So if price goes up really quickly, you always can be liquidated, and there's also some risk involved. Of course, you could not even split 50-50, but if you would like to take a lower risk, like you can split 70-30 or even 80-20. So if you split like 70-30, 70% of your bought cryptocurrency you will short it, and 30% you will stake it. That means that you will be using a smaller leverage, like 1.5 or like here, I don't know, maybe 1.35, and your liquidation price will go up and you have a room to move, and in this scenario you will earn more or less cryptocurrency by staking, but at the end you have some insurance that most likely the price in 15 days will not go up like 150 or 200%. So this strategy is really interesting because, as you can see on the June contract, we really have a small gap, and the price is hardly that will move up 100 or 150% in the next 15 days. Of course, it's crypto market and you never know, but as the gap is really small and you still want to open a position, so this cash and carry strategy with staking could be an option. Of course, please do your calculations before starting, because like I said, there is some risk involved. As in cash and carry regular strategy, there is almost none risk involved, and here are the risks of liquidation and that you could not close your position when you want it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have not joined yet our Telegram chat, please do it. We're having a great conversations there, and stay tuned and see you in the next videos.